Hello crypto-minded family! Welcome back to the Rich Minds Corner, your go-to channel for financial freedom and crypto mining tips. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to mine ink on the cPEN network step by step. Whether you're a beginner or looking to maximize your mining speed, this tutorial has everything you need. Stay tuned to the end for pro tips on earning more ink faster. 1. What is ink and cPEN network? Before we jump in, let's quickly cover what ink and the cPEN network are all about. Ink is the reward token within the cPEN network, a decentralized ecosystem that allows users to earn by mining through their mobile devices. The best part? No expensive hardware is required. You simply mine from your phone. But to truly make the most of it, you need to optimize your setup, and that's exactly what I'll show you next. 2. How to start mining ink on cPEN network. Step 1. Download and set up the cPEN network app. Go to the official cPEN network website or download the app from the Play Store or App Store through the link in the video description. Create an account using your email or phone number. Verify your account to ensure smooth withdrawals later. Step 2. Start mining ink. Once you're in the app, locate the Mine Ink button. Tap it to start mining, and it will run in the background. Your mining speed depends on several factors, which I'll explain in the next section. Step 3. Increase your ink mining speed. Invite referrals to boost your mining rate. Check in daily to maintain and increase your mining speed. Participate in special events or promotions that offer temporary mining boosts. 3. Pro tips to earn more ink. Want to earn ink faster? Here's how. Join cPEN network's official social media. They announce mining boosts and updates. Use multiple accounts wisely if allowed. Mining on different devices can multiply your earnings. Hodl and trade smartly. Check how ink fits into the cPEN ecosystem and future plans for price growth. And that's it. Now you know how to mine ink on the cPEN network and increase your rewards. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto mining guides. Comment below, how much ink have you mined so far? Let's compare earnings and share tips. Thanks for watching the Rich Minds Corner, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay rich-minded, stay safe, family.